Hi students, in this video we are going to see 6 unit statistics. 6 unit statistics. In 6 unit statistics, to recall the formation of frequency table. So to recall the formation of frequency tables, to construct the simple pie charts for the given data, to know to draw the histogram and frequency polygon for grouped data. Okay, so this unit contains to recall the formation of frequency tables, to construct the simple pie charts for the given data, to know how to draw the histogram, frequency polygon for grouped data. Okay, so we know the data means collection of the information. Data means collection of the information. There are two types of data. First one is primary data, second one is secondary data. So primary data means it's nothing but there are the data are collected in a person for the first time. Primary data means collect the data for the first time for a specific purpose. So these are the data that are collected in the person for the first time for a specific purpose. So first time data collect pandrom for a specific purpose kaga. It's called primary data. Secondary data means so the data already collected. So அந்த கலெக்ட் பண்ண டேட்டாவில் நம்ம தேவையான இன்ஃபர்மேஷனை மட்டும் எடுக்கிறதுக்கு பேர் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா செகண்டரி டேட்டா. ஓகேவா? In secondary data means they collected already, but we need some specific informations we get from the collected data. It's called secondary data. Okay, so examples. So primary data means census in a village. So villagesல census எடுத்திருப்பாங்க, யார் யார் ஒரு வீட்டில் எவ்வளோ பேர் இருக்காங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. Okay, so collection of colors which students like in a class. Okay, செகண்டரி டேட்டா பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பர்த் சர்டிஃபிகேட், டெத் சர்டிஃபிகேட். ஒரு வில்லேஜஸில் எவ்வளோ பர்த் இருக்குது, எவ்வளோ டெத் இருக்குது, டெத் ரேட் அண்ட் பர்த் ரேட் ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக அது யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ வி நோ தட் டெத் சர்டிஃபிகேட்டுக்கு பர்த் சர்டிஃபிகேட்டுக்கு ஆல்ரெடி தே ரிஜிஸ்டர்ட். ஸோ ஏற்கனவே ரிஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணியிருக்கிற டேட்டாவிலேருந்து நம்மளுக்கு தேவையான பர்த் ரேட் அண்ட் டெத் ரேட்டை வந்து தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் செகண்டரி டேட்டா. ஓகே, ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட்டு so frequency distribution table. Frequency distribution means the arrangement of given data form a table following frequency each variable occurs, with which each variable occurs. There are two types of distribution tables, namely frequency distribution table for ungrouped data, frequency distribution table for grouped data. Okay, so frequency means number of times occurs. Frequency means number of times occurs. So there are two types of distribution table is there, and there are frequency distribution table for ungrouped data, frequency distribution table for grouped data. Okay, ungrouped data. Okay, so the examples they given. So ungrouped data or discrete data, ungrouped data or discrete data. Okay, so ungrouped data can assume only whole numbers and exact measurement. These are the data that cannot have the range values. A usual way to represent by using bar graphs. Bar graph ku use பண்றோம். Example, the number of teachers in a school, the number of teachers in a school, the number of players in a game. Okay, so next important form and ungrouped frequency distribution table. Frequency table எப்படி ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுறதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். For the weight of 25 students, total number of students is 25 in standard 4th given below, and answer the following questions. Okay, so form ungrouped data frequency distribution find பண்ணணும். So in the table போடணும். Let's see how to draw the table. So next they given information about 25 students weight. 25 students weight, whose weight standard 4th standard weight. Okay, sub questions are find the range of the weights, and how many of the students has the highest weight in the class? How many of the students have the highest weight in the class, and what is the weight to which more number of students belongs to? So what is the weight which more number of students belongs to? So how many of them belongs to the least weight? How many of them belongs to the least number of weight? So this is very difficult to find that if the given data is ungrouped data. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாக நம்பர் மட்டும் கொடுத்துட்டா இதில் ஹையஸ்ட் வெயிட் எவ்வளோ, லோயஸ்ட் வெயிட் எவ்வளோ, இதெல்லாம் ஃபைன் பண்ணுறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டமாக இருக்கும். ஸோ ஃபார் தட் பர்பஸ் வி ஃபஸ்ட் ஃப்ரேம் தட் த frequency table. This is called frequency table. So the repeated numbers are, the repeated number is 50, 60, 80, 20, 24, 25, 27. These numbers only repeated here. See, only 15 is there, 16 is there, 17 is not there, then take 18, 19 is not in the table, so 20, 20, 21, 22, 23 is not there, so 24, 25 is there, next 26 is not there, so 27. Okay, so 15 how many times in the table? Let's see 15 how many times in the table. So see here, here, next here. So totally 315 is there. So we draw the table. First we frame the table. In top should write weight, tally marks, then frequency. Weight, the given question is finding the weights, so weight is there. So next tally marks. So tally marks means number of times occurs. If one time is there, we should write like that. And vertical line, it's represent a vertical line. So 2, 3, 4. If 5 should come, so we cross it. So it makes counts easy. That's why we do like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next we start 1, 2, 3. So this represent 8. So 5 plus 3, 8. So this makes very easy to understand. That's why they given like that. So usually we note 5 like that only. So let's see the question again. From an ungrouped frequency distribution table for the weight of 25 students in standard 4 given below, and answer of the following questions. The 25 students weight is given: 25, 24, 20, 25, 16, 15, 18, 20, 25, 16, 20, 16, 15, 18, 25, 20, 16, 24, 18, 25, 15, 27, 20, 20, 27, 25. So find the range. Find the range. Range formula is highest value minus lowest value in that given data. So for that purpose we need highest value and lowest value. Okay, next, how many of the students is highest weight? Second question, highest weight. Third number, what is the weight which more number of students is there? So we should find out the frequency, number of times occurs. So how many of them belongs to least weight? We need least weight also. For these questions we need to frame a frequency table. Okay, so 15 weight 15, 16, 18, 20, 24, 25, 27. Okay, so இப்போ வந்து என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா, ஸோ இங்கே 15 எவ்வளோ டைம்ஸ் வந்திருக்கு? லெட்ஸ் see 15, 1, 2, 3. So I mark 3 here. So 1, 2, 3. So number of frequency 3 times. Okay, next is 16. Okay, next 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 16 is 4 times. So 16 4 times. We should mark 1, 2, 3, 4. Then frequency, number of frequency tally marks is 4. Next 18. So 18, 1, 2, 3. So 3, 18 is there. So 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 20, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Okay, that's all. So 20 is 5. Next 24. 24, 1, 2. That's all. So 24 2 times. 24 2 times. Okay. Next 25, 27. 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we should mark here. See, for 25 tally marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 is there. So I write here 6, then 27. 1, 1, 2. There are 227, so 2. So total number of frequency must be equal to the number of students. So add 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 plus 6, 23, 23 plus 2, 25. So total 25 students is there. Now next we are going to answer the questions. The range, we know that range formula. Range equal to highest weight value is 27 minus lowest is 15. So 27 minus 15 is 12. So range is 12. Okay, range is 12. Okay, so from the table how many students have highest weight? So highest weight is 27. So the number of students is 2. Therefore the two students as the highest weight 27. Okay, 2 of the students have the highest weight of 27 kg. Okay, next maximum number of students. What is the weight to which more number of students belongs to? So here more number of students is here 6 number. In the frequency table the highest value is 6. Most number of students have the weight 25 kg. Okay, have the 25 kg weight for 6 students. Okay, next least weight. So least weight is 15. The number of students is 3. Therefore the 3 students belongs to the least weight 50 kg. Okay, so that's all. 6.1. It's an important question.